Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Corder K channel. Guys, in this video I am going to tell you some information about post-connections attacks. Please stay until the end of the video. And the section we are going to talk about post-connection attacks, so attacks that you can do after connecting to your target network. Now, it doesn't matter whether the target network is a Wi-Fi network or a wired or an internet network, it really doesn't matter. As long as you gained access to this network, as long as you're able to connect to it, you'll be able to do all of the attacks that I'm going to show you in the section. Now, you'll notice once connected, you can do so many cool things, so you'll be able to gather detailed information about all of the clients connected to the same network. You'll also be able to intercept data and see any usernames or any passwords or any information they use on the internet. You'll be able to modify data as it's being sent in the air. So you'll be able to inject evil code and do so many cool things on the network. Now, to do all of the attacks that I'm going to show you, and here you have two options. The first option is to run the attacks against the virtual NAT network against the Windows machine. You just need to make sure that the virtual Windows machine is connected to the same NAT network as the Kali machine. Or you can run the attacks against real computers connected to your real Wi-Fi network. And you need to make sure that you have a wireless interface connected to the Kali machine. And the Kali machine needs to be connected to your target Wi-Fi network. Now, throughout the section, I'm actually going to be using both options. So I'm going to be running some attacks against the Wi-Fi network and I'll be running some against my virtual network. Just to make sure that you're comfortable with running all of these attacks in different environments and in different networks. Because like I said, it doesn't really matter how you gained your access to the network. The network type doesn't really matter either, as long as you are able to connect to the target network. Thank you for watching the video. To know more about hacking and also other programming knowledge, please visit our website, corderk.com, which is in the below description. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you get any informative knowledge on hacking, please share it with your friends. To watch more and more videos like this, please subscribe to the Corder K channel and click on the bell icon. Okay friends, bye and have a great day.